Hey guys, how's it going? Frey here from Tools and Gadgets. We're back again with another video. Today we have the Lexar High Performance Memory Storage. It's an NVMe Portable SSD drive. So we're going to be testing out. It says here that it has a 2000 megabits of read and write speed using the 3.2 Gen 2. So this is a NVMe Portable SSD. It has 1 terabytes of space and it comes with a USB 3.1 USB-C to USB-A. We're going to be testing out specifically the NVMe Portable SSD because it comes with a 2000 megabits of read and write speed and with a 3.2 Gen 2x2, which we all know is probably a lot faster. And I'll be testing out with the iPhone 15 Pro Max using the ProRes 4K 60 frames per second. As we all know in our previous video, we used the Samsung 256 flash drive. So it's a USB 3.1. So this is a 3.2, so probably it's a lot faster now. So we'll be testing out using a disk test, speed test by Magic Benchmark. So without further ado, let's go on to the video. Okay guys, so I have my iPad Pro M2 chip here and I have the 15 Pro Max here. So just to do a baseline, we'll go ahead and insert my Samsung 256 USB-C flash drive. So let's go ahead and test this first here. Before we get to this faster NVMe portable SSD, let's go ahead and connect the drive. So let's choose the Samsung USB. Let's do that. So we are now at the Samsung USB 256 gig. So let's try and test it for 10 gigabytes of space. Let's go. So as you can see here, this is rated for 400 megabytes write and read speed, but right now we're currently at 140 write speed. Let's see the read speed. Okay, so we now got the results, 152 write and 204 read. So it's not close as to what they advertise at 400 megabits read and write speed. It's almost just half of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and test it on the iPad. Maybe it's just the iPhone 15 is not more capable of doing that. So let's go ahead and try the M2 chip here. So we are on the Samsung flash drive already. So let's go ahead and test it. So as you can see here on the M2 chip, it's way slower compared to what we got on the 15 Pro Max. So it's not the result that we were expecting. So the M2 chip is much slower to process the data at around 96 megabits of write and 168 megabits of read speed. So once again, this is rated for 400 megabits per second. It's not way close to that actually. So I don't know why, but yeah, let's go ahead and test the Lexar high performance memory storage. So we have here the Lexar 1 terabyte portable high performance NVMe storage. So we'll be testing out using their proprietary USB-C cable. Let's go ahead and power it up. So first off, we're going to test it on our iPad Pro with the M2 chip. Let's go. Let's go to connect. Let's choose Lexar. Hit open. Okay guys, so the moment of truth. So we'll be choosing 10 gigabytes of file since probably this could handle the test. So right now it's pretty slow at 500 something write speed. Let's try the read speed. So it's still the same at around 500 megabits per second. But the real test, guys, is here on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the reason, guys, why I chose this, the Lexar NVMe High Performance Storage, is because I want to shoot at ProRes at 4K 60 FPS on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yeah, I'm really surprised about the test. So let's go ahead and try it on the 15 Pro Max. So this is the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and connect this on the Lexar. Alright, moment of truth, guys. 10 gigabytes of file. Let's go. So as we can see here, guys, the write speed around 960 megabits per second is really good. The read speed is 552, but then it's not close to what they advertise as the 2000 megabits read and write speed. But let me tell you about this, guys. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports the USB 3.2 Gen 2, but I don't know why it's not reaching the 2000 megabits per second. Or probably it's the cable. I don't know. I'm using their proprietary cable, so it shouldn't be the problem at all. So I'm running a second speed test. More or less, it's giving out the same result. So it's the same result, guys. So it's the write speed is around half as advertised, and the read speed is probably around 3/4 of the speed advertised. So in context, guys, let me do a speed test on the built-in storage for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, it's really fast. Let's do the 10 gigabit speed test. So as you can see, guys, the built-in storage for the iPhone 15 Pro Max is really fast at 1500 megabits per second write and 1000 read speed. So it's nowhere close to the Lexar NVMe Portable SSD storage. So I don't know why they're saying that this is a high performance storage, but we'll have one more test, guys. So I'm really curious if it would run on the ProRes 4K at 60 FPS. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, we have 72 minutes of recording time. So let's try to record. All right. Okay, we have a good 13 seconds of video there. Let's try and play it. So as what I could see right now, guys, it's really smooth compared to the Samsung flash drive. So this one is, when I played back the video, it's really laggy compared to this one. It's really fast because maybe its read speed is around 500 megabits per second compared to this at around 150 megabits per second. So yeah, I would definitely buy this. So if only I could do like a MagSafe here so that I could do it like that while recording. Yeah, that would be pretty awesome. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching Tools and Gadgets. See you again in our next vlog. Bye.